Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to remove the Activate Windows watermark on your PC. Let's say suppose you are receiving a watermark here to activate the Windows. What you need to do is simply go and activate the Windows. What you can do is you can go to the Windows menu and go to Settings, and within the settings you can go to the System, and within the Systems you can scroll down to the bottom and go About, and within the About you can go and check product key and activation. Just open that, and then you can enter your product key, 25 character product key, and finish the activation. If you do not have a product key and you have a digital license, then you can sign in with your Microsoft account if you already have, and then you can activate. So once you activate, the watermarks showing that the PC need activation would be gone. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.